Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Texas trash bread pudding. What all goes into the Texas trash bread pudding? 1 16-ounce loaf white bread cubed. This is 20 ounce, so I won't be using all of it. And it's not white bread, it's Hawaiian bread. I thought that would go good. 2 cups whole milk, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 6 tablespoons butter, and 1/8 teaspoon salt. For the candy topping, 1 cup chocolate chips, 1 cup caramel bits, 1 cup graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup shredded sweetened coconut flakes, 1 cup pecans chopped, 1 cup pretzel sticks, and I didn't look at it close enough. They are cinnamon sugar. But since this is a dessert, I think this should go okay. 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup butter melted, optional for serving, 2 tablespoons of caramel sauce, 2 tablespoons pecans, and 2 tablespoons chocolate chips. And those 3 things are optional. So let's begin. Preheat oven to 300. Lightly grease a 13 by 9 pan. And set aside. Take your bread cubes and put them on an ungreased baking sheet. Put them in a preheated 300-degree oven for 15 minutes to dry them out. After 15 minutes, I took out the bread cubes, transfer them to a wire rack so they can cool. Take a medium bowl, dump in your butter, and I put it in the microwave for a little bit just to soften it, and then it started to set. Your 2 cups of milk, and since I cooled my butter, it's going to be okay to add my eggs. It won't scramble them. My 1/8 teaspoon of salt, my 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and whisk that until everything is combined. Preheat the oven to 350. Then take your cool toasted breadcrumbs and put them in a large bowl. And I would definitely suggest that you melt the butter in the egg mixture because it was not wanting to mix the butter completely. I even got out my immersion blender, and I still have some little chunks of butter. However, being as it's going to be going into the oven, it will melt. So pour your egg mixture over the bread cubes. And as you can see the butter right there, the recipe did not say that butter should be melted. However, the next bunch of butter is supposed to be melted. That I know. Mix these until they are fully coated, and they're coated with the chunky butter. And this is not cottage cheese, it is the butter because the butter was cool, so it didn't scramble the eggs. And then let that set for about 15 minutes. While your bread cubes are soaking, take a large bowl, take your 1 cup of chocolate chips, your 1 cup of caramel bits, your 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, your 1 cup of coconut, your 1 cup of pecans, and your 1 cup of pretzels, and mix that until combined. Take your bread mix and put it in the pan. And spread it out. Then take your 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, add your melted butter, and then mix that completely. Make it nice and gooey, Texas trashy. Then you take this and put that evenly over the bread mixture. I'm going to just do dollops and then spread it out. And we are going to spread this out the best we can. You want to make sure you stay on top of the bread. Don't mix it in with the bread. Okay, that looks pretty even. I'm going to put that back in the 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes until it's lightly browned. After 25 minutes, I took it out of the oven. As you can see, it is brown. We'll let it cool for 5 minutes before we dish it up. So we want to garnish this. Add a few chocolate chips to top it. Add a few pecans and drizzle. That would come out really fast. Drizzle some caramel sauce. Here is the Texas Trash bread pudding. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this looks like a low-calorie thing here. Not really, but I think I can make okay with it. Man, that's good.
That is Texas Trash bread pudding.
That's really good. And this is nice and warm. I bet that would be good with like a scoop of Bluebell vanilla ice cream.
It would be.
That's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.